James, this is a home furnace. Will you tell me how the order of operation goes on how these things actually work?
Yeah, absolutely. So once you have gone to your thermostat and placed your thermostat into a call for heat, it will then send a signal back to this board letting it know I need to turn on into heating.
Okay.
So once that happens, it is going to send power to turn on this inducer motor. This inducer motor will start running and spinning, and now that board needs to know that this inducer motor is running. And the way it does that is through this tube, which goes down through this pressure switch. That pressure switch will then close, telling the board, pressure switch has closed, my inducer is running, I'm good for the next stage of ignition.
Okay, hold on one second. So the inducer motor is actually what clears the exhaust gas, is that right?
Correct.
Okay, great.
Correct, yep, out of our flue pipe.
Once it's starting to run, then the board sends the control to what's the next step?
So once it runs, then it will send that down to here. This switch will close. It will go back to the board. Now the board knows that that's all running, so then it will send power to our igniter back here. And you'll start to notice that igniter will slowly turn on and it will get bright, bright, bright orange and hot. Once that igniter has gotten to, it's fully turned on, the board will then send a signal to our gas valve to open up, because now we need to provide flame. So this gas valve will open up, gas will come through this manifold into each one of these burners, and when that gas hits that igniter, we have ignition. Now we have flame going through each one of our burners, and now the unit needs to know that it does have flame, and the reason how it knows that is through this flame sensor over here. That sends a signal back to the board letting it know that this unit is now in full ignition. We will then shut off our igniter. It is no longer needed because we have ignition. This will start to warm up our heat exchanger. And then after a short delay, it will turn on our indoor fan motor, blowing air over the heat exchanger, providing heat to the home.
Awesome. That's cool, man. Thanks for that.